Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my vlog. So it's the morning time. I'm done with my work, my night shift work. So right now it's around 7:45. So I'm going to home with this step. So if you are new here, if you like my vlogs, you can subscribe my vlog channel and keep watching, keep enjoying. See you. So guys, I'm finally reached home, and it was really cold when I reached home, and oh my god, my hand was so cold and it was like hurting, so much pain I had, and it's just for 5 minutes I just tried to make my hand warm. So my roommate is gone, so I'm alone in the room. So later at 12 o'clock I will go downstairs for the downstairs restaurant for eating breakfast. It's really cloudy, and I'm sick because of the cold weather changing. I got cough little bit from the window. Oh my god, it's so tight, the window. Yeah, see the view from the windows. So guys, I just brought my meal from restaurant, and I don't know which dish is that. See, is it kishmish, something else? But it's really tasty. It's like a pasta with so much soup, like shorba. So guys, I'm out. It's 4:30 afternoon, rainy, and I'm going to the market to buy a protein for workout. I like to use whey protein for better muscle recovery, and also we'll do some grocery shopping like it's really rainy now. My god. The winter season, it's always rainy and cloudy every day, and it will be very hard going to the work, because if it's work, and also I use electric scooter for going to the work, so the road will be quite sleepy. This is the Pakistani shop nearby our camp. Look at the sky filled with clouds. I also got sick. Have cough. So here we are by the What is the name of the shop? LD. Yeah, we are here by the LD market, and we are going to buy. I am going to buy a protein, and also will buy some tomatoes, potatoes, chicken to cook for the night. Here is, yeah. So here we have all of the protein flavors, some protein cookies. I always buy the banana flavor and sometimes the chocolate flavor. Which one? Isolate protein. Think I will take this one. I like that. I always take this one. So it's cost 16, yeah, almost 17 euro. Next is to buy some onions and potatoes. Here it is tomatoes, yes. So let's take some onions. There. So let's go for buying a chicken. Chicken is on this side. How much is? That's too big. Yeah. This one 6 euro. I think this is better.